Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because the energy of this reading could be reversal, and this is not for all Scorpios. For some of you, it could not be your story, it could not be your energy. So please, use your own discernment. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Sun. This is the past situation. We also have the King of Wands. This is the present situation. Let me see the future is the High Priestess. Wow. Two major arcanas come out now. And the outcome is the Four of Cups. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story, just leave it, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the Sun. This is the past situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. It could also be that this person wants to heal the relationship between you and them. This person could be having a grudges, a misunderstanding, a conflict between you and them. For most of you, you choose to heal with this conflict, with this trauma, with this disagreement or grudges between you and this person. And I feel like you have prosperity and assured success. There is growth, and I feel like whatever hidden in the dark with this person, could be that this person is keeping your secrets. I don't know, either you or this person to you. Whatever hidden in the dark comes into light. It's because I feel like there was an illumination in the past, because this is the past situation. This could be related to the secret of this person. Yeah. The secret was exposed. Yeah. I don't know which is this all about. And for you, you have growth and prosperity. It could also be that there is a child involved in this situation, because the Sun is embodied the energy of Leo, and Leo is the house of children in astrology. Others of you, it could also be that you are going to give birth to a newborn child. Congratulations. Or you are going to give birth to a newborn ideas. Congratulations. I don't know what is this all about. This is your energy after the devastated situation you have undergone in the past because you choose to heal, to love yourself. Others of you guys, it could also be that there is an assured success here. It could also be that this person viewed you as a healer. This person viewed you as their sunshine, their lights. And that's why somebody here wants to heal the trauma, the grudges, the conflict between you and them. Could be that this person is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I don't know who is this person, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Either this person wants to heal the trauma, the grudges between you and them, or this person wants to dim your lights because your light is shining bright. It could also be that this person couldn't stand your aura because you are shining. Take only what fits in your story. This is the past situation. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the sun in this reading. Tell me more about the sun here, please. Why the sun in this reading? The sun is clarified as Zaubersessel. This is a magic cauldron. This is a German language. Zaubersessel is a German language which stands for magic cauldron. I feel like somebody here did cast spells. Could be black magic or love spells on you. Could be this person who embodied the energy of a Leo. Or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Let's remember that the energy in this reading could be reversal. I feel like this person did rituals or engaging you in a practitioner. This person wants you to be vulnerable to them, or this person wants you to heal the trauma between you and them. Because they viewed you that you are already healed. Others of you, you are continuing your healing journey. It could also be that you are advised her to detoxify yourself, to do rituals under the moon with the use of this magic cauldron. Yeah, you need to detoxify yourself from the energy of this person, from the negative energy of this person, which was caused too much havoc, too much arguments and negative energy on you. And that's why you need to detoxify yourself. You need to do rituals for cleansing and purifying yourself. Could also be that this person in the past did black magic on you, cast spells, in order for you to be vulnerable to them. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me why the sun in this reading. Clarify me, Father, why the sun here, please. The sun is clarified as Steinbock Disheven. Either you are dealing with a Capricorn or a Lady Boss, or could also be a Leo. It could be that this person come out in this reading was engaging you in black magic, cast spells, witchcraft, voodoo, because they want you to be vulnerable with them. For some of you, I feel like you are no longer communicating with this person anymore. You also block and cut the ties of this person in your life because for you it is too much. Yeah, and that's why you need healing in this situation. Others of you already healed. Either this person is a Leo, a Capricorn, or a Lady Boss who did black magic on you, cast spells. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the King of Wands. This is the present. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Normally, this is the energy of an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart, or you are dealing with an Aries. Of course, not all of you. For most of you, this is your energy. You are sitting in your throne. You take good care of yourself, and you are a mark of a good leader because you encourage and you inspire other people to take an action with their dreams in line with their passion. You are not only encouraging them, you look good, you are so magnetic, charming, gorgeous. It doesn't matter if you're male or female. In Tauro, there is no gender. It could also be that you look so sensual, seductive, attractive. I feel like there are lots of people who are aggressively attracting on you because of your aura, because of your magnetic aura. Could be that this person who embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, having a strong passion and desire towards you. It doesn't mean that this person loves you. A passion and desire is only an infatuation and adoration or admiration. Somebody who wants you to be, this is only a sexual desire. I don't know who is this person. Could be this person is strongly attracted with you, and this person wants to offer you this creative spark, or this person wants to approach you because they are desiring you. Remember, in your last reading, there are lots of people desiring you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because of your magnetic aura, because of your sensuality. You look so seductive and gorgeous, charming, and or handsome or beautiful. I don't know which is your energy here. Take only what fits in your story. This person wants to take an action towards you, or this is your energy towards this person. Could be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the King of Wands here. Tell me more about the King of Wands in this reading, please. The King of Wands is clarified as Glaube, Glaube, Glaube. Yeah, this is believe, believe, and believe. This is a German language astro cards. I feel like this person wants to seduce you, to persuade you to believe in them. This person wants to approach you. This person wants to tell you, hey, Scorpio, believe me, I have a strong desire on you. Or could be that this person will bluff you that I love you as well, because they wants you to believe in them. Glaube, glaube, glaube. Believe, believe, and believe. Yeah. Somebody who wants to persuade you, somebody who wants to convince you. I don't know. It could also be that this is your feelings towards this person, because in Tauro, the energy could be reversal. That's why I said use your own discernment, which is your story here. Okay? It could also be that this person viewed you that you have a strong belief in yourself. Could also be that you are connected to Mother Earth. This person viewed you that you have, you are intuitive and you have a special connection to phenomenal world. It could also be that this person believed that you are hypnotizing other people. Yeah, that's why this is your energy. You hypnotize other people in order that the people will view you as attractive, magnetic, or sensual, because this person believed that you are having, a special power, which is like a magician. I don't know which is your story here. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the King of Wands here. The King of Wands is clarified as conjunction, Verschmelzung on energy. I feel like somebody who wants to have a win-win situation. This person wants your opinion and their opinion to bring it together in one. This is conjunction. Verschmelzung is merger and energy. This is like two companies to bring in one with one decision, one ideas. And this is the good for everybody. This is a win-win situation. I don't know. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or a Capricorn, because these are the cards come out here. Leo is also a fire sign. Somebody here wants to have a win-win situation to amend the conflict, the grudges between you and them. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And the future is the High Priestess. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. For most of you, this is your energy. Yeah. I feel like you have lots of hidden knowledge. This is related to sacred knowledge, sacred insights. It could also be that you have a gift the time you were born. The universe advises you to use your gift to inspire and encourage other people, to give hopes and inspiration. I feel like somebody here is keeping secrets or hiding secrets on you. It could also be that this person viewed you as mysterious. Somebody here is keeping their feelings on you. Or it could also be that this person wants to reveal their feelings on you. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to follow your intuition, to listen to your intuition, and to pay attention to your dreams and synchronicities. But for most of you, I knew that you already knew the secret of this person, because you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac, and you are waiting this person to tell you the truth, to reveal you the truth. Or it could be that you are dealing with a person who has an initial of B as in Boaz or J as in Jechan. I don't know which is your energy here. It could also be that this person wants to know your secret, because they viewed you as a secretive, a mysterious. They viewed you that you are doing shady behind the scenes, that you did abracadabra, because they couldn't believe with your aura that you are so magnetic, attractive, and seductive. Somebody here believes that you did magic. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? Clarify me, please, why the High Priestess in this reading. Tell me more about the High Priestess. The High Priestess is terrified as quadrat, herausforderung, and disharmony. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with the poor people. This could be a collaboration. And I feel like they are causing challenges and disharmony in your life. Yeah. This person or group of people could be Capricorn, a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. You look, your first card is Leo. And this person could be wants to heal the grudges, the trauma, the misunderstanding, because somebody here wants to offer you a win-win situation. Versmeltum on energy. This is conjunction, like two companies to bring it in one decision, which is good for everyone. Good for both parties. This is a win-win situation. Could be that they are going to approach you. This could be 4 people, because this is quadrat. Because they cause you too much disharmony and challenges in the past. And they viewed you that you are intuitive person. It could also be that they are keeping secrets on you, and they are going to approach you to tell you about their secrets. I don't know. And to make peace or harmonious relationship, the sun, between you and them. Yeah. I don't know who is this person. The cards come out here are Capricorn, a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Remember, your first card is Leo. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, why the High Priestess here. Tell me more about the High Priestess here, please. for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The High Priestess is clarified as Reinigong. Reinigong is cleansing. This is a German language astro cards. You are advised to purify, to detoxify the negative energy which was caused with this person or group of people. You remember in your first card, they are engaging you in a black magic, voodoo, witchcraft. And that's why you need to detoxify this negative energy in your body. To do rituals, either under the moon or to do rituals at home. But I feel like this is the best under the moon. To do rituals, to meditate, to cleanse the negativity of this situation, of this person who causes you too much disharmony and challenges. You look. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And the outcome is the Four of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Double confirmation because the High Priestess is the card before the Four of Cups. This person could be the past person or a present person. I don't know. If this is the past person, this person couldn't let you go. This person still clinging on your energy. If this is the present person, this person wants to offer you a cup of love, but this person viewed you that you are stuck in the past situation or in the past relationship. This person viewed you that you are going to reject them, or this person viewed you that you are not accepting a love offer. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. If this is a new person, if this is the past person, this person missed the opportunity to have you. And that's why they are clinging on your energy. They couldn't let you go. And this is their bad karma. It could also be that this is your feelings towards this person. Because in tarot, the energy could be reversal. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you to turn around. You have always an infinite potential, if this is your energy, to change the negative feelings and emotions into a positive one. You still have 3 cups remain. This is not the end of the world. You should not cling in the past because the past couldn't be changed. It can only be accepted. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, why the Four of Cups in this reading. Tell me more about the Four of Cups, sir, please, for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as Vage. Vage is a German language which stands for Libra. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Or you are attracting Libra or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. If this is a new person, they wants to offer you a cup of love, but they viewed you that you are rejecting to accept the offer. If this is the past person, they are clinging in your energy. They couldn't let you go. It could also be that this is your energy towards this person. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me further the Four of Cups. Why the Four of Cups, sir, please? Tell me more about the Four of Cups in this reading. The Four of Cups is clarified as Sai Wi Ein Kin. This is related to your inner child, or somebody here is childish. Yeah, they are immature. It could also be that this person is, you know this person in your childhood. I don't know. This could be in your family as well. This could also be your twins or your best friend, your chums. I don't know. This could be related to a child. Because somebody here is keeping secrets. Could also be that this could be related to a child. I don't know. This could be related to 2 kids. You look. This could also be related to your childhood memories. Mm-hmm. Somebody here is keeping secrets, or it could be that these secrets is going to reveal, because this is the future. This could be related to your childhood, or related to, there could be related to children, had 2 children, I don't know. This is the clarification of the 4 of Cups. Somebody here is feeling stuck. It could also be that this person is your childhood sweetheart, I don't know. Either there could be a secret related to children, or related to your childhood memories. It could also be that there is a secret related to your life during your childhood. I don't know. I don't know which is your story here. Because there are lots of possibilities with this. Or somebody here is childish. Or it could also be that this is the advice from your spirit's guide, that you need to be willing to be transported. This is like to be like a child that you are, I mean, or you need to use your inner wisdom and knowledge and a child ability. I don't know which is your story here. Either you are dealing with a childish person, or there could be a secret regarding with this children, 2 children, or these secrets related to your childhood life is about to expose. I don't know, because there could be related to children here, or yeah, child. I don't know which is your story here. Take only what fits in your story, or this is your childhood sweetheart or your childhood neighbor. Could be you fall in love with this person, and since this is the clarification of the 4 of Cups, somebody here missed the opportunity, feeling rejected. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me further. Why the 4 of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the 4 of Cups here. It is clarified as North Lunar Node, new life's goal. For some of you guys, it could also be that if you are going to know the secret, or for some of you, you already knew the secret. Because somebody is keeping secrets on you, could be related to these 2 children or childhood memories. And I feel like you still have a new beginning. Yeah. Even though it will be exposed or not, you still have a new beginning. This is new life's goal. Even if they will tell you the truth or not, you still have a new beginning. Even if they're keeping secrets on you, you still have a new beginning in your life. That's why you don't need to worry. The 4 of Cups. Yeah. Because I feel like everything happens for a reason. It could be that you are dealing here with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, a Capricorn, and or Libra, and fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Remember, your first card is a Leo, which is a fire sign. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. I love you all. Bye.